So I figured I'd show you the rest of my garden here. This back acre or so, these are all rubber trees. Got some bamboo, of course more coconuts. These are the really big bamboo, giant bamboo. I ordered these about a year and a half ago and planted them. And they were little sprigs like this when they came. And they're taken right off. Got a few pomelo trees. That's another one. And these are the plantain type bananas. Another mango tree. This is the big type of mango, and then I have some regular size. Lucy. And I also have the small green ones you eat sour. Tons of pineapples back here. This is where I just kind of toss all the heads or baby plants. As you can see, this doesn't get cut back here very often. Another pomelo tree. This is red flesh pomelo. And there were a couple of blossoms on it for the first time this year. But they seem to have fallen off. And I don't see any that stuck with fruit. So hopefully next year we'll get a nice crop of pomelos. Some more of the big bamboo. I just planted this one. This is the size they come. Next year hopefully will be huge. Right here's what happens to most of my pineapples. The birds and insects decide they're ripe before I do. This is rose apple tree. Beautiful little blossoms. Need to come out here and put some bags around the fruits once they set. Keeps the insects out of them. This bamboo plant here just took right off. This is one that was planted about a year and a half ago. Wish some of these pineapples would hurry up and ripen. Let me show you. This is it's in the eggplant family. And they must get dropped by the birds. These are ready. People usually just eat them as like a salad. I'm gonna pause while I pick a few of these.